Hi, today I'm Freddy from Motorola G13 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. First, let's open the Play Store application, and in the search pool we should enter the Ampere, and now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click yes, agree, be close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. After that, you'll see here information about battery temperature. In my case, that's 31 and 4 degrees. Also, we can find here more information like the battery model, Android version, level, capacity, health, and more other info. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.